everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix voicemail not working on iPhone. So first subscribe to my channel and hit the like button for more upcoming videos. So let's start the video without wasting any time. When we miss any call that we receive from our friends, relatives, colleagues and so on, they can leave a message that we can read any time from our voicemail. This feature is really helpful in all situations, but there are many reports from the iPhone users that the voicemail is not working on their iPhones and they are not able to get any messages from the missed ones. So let's fix this problem. So the first step is restart the phone app. Launch the app switcher on iPhone. For that you have to swipe up from the left bottom corner towards the right. Once you see all the background running apps on app switcher, look for the phone app and switch it up to force close it. After it's closed, go to the home screen page and reopen the phone app by clicking on its icon. And you are done. So the next step is turn off the call forwarding. Open the settings app, go to the phone option, then click on the call forwarding option. Wait for a few seconds till it loads the details. Click on call forwarding toggle switch to disable it and you are done. So the next step is refresh the mobile network connection. If there is any disturbance in the mobile network signal around you, it can also be responsible for causing this problem. Therefore, you need to refresh the mobile network signal by airplane mode. For this, go to the settings page, tap on the airplane mode toggle switch to turn it on. Once it is activated, it will disconnect the mobile signal from your iPhone. We recommend waiting for around 2 minutes and after that, you have to deactivate the airplane mode by tapping on the toggle button once again from the setting menu list and you are done. So the next step is reset network settings. For this, go to settings, go to general, scroll down, tap on the transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset. Here you will see reset network settings, tap on it. It might ask you to enter the passcode, so enter it and follow the on-screen instructions and you are done. I hope this will help you to fix voicemail not working on iPhone, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. See you in the next video.